Pavers, flagstone and concrete are all common options when people are looking to add on to their landscaping. While creating a viable outdoor space for gatherings is the end goal, choosing something that will last is equally important. There are a seemingly unlimited number of choices when considering a paver for your project. How do you decide which style is for you? First, you have to determine what purpose the pavers will serve. If it is for a patio or outdoor living space, just about any paver will do. However, if it is for a driveway, you will have to use a paver that is the appropriate thickness or aspect ratio, as it has to be thick enough not to crack under the weight of a vehicle. Most small unit pavers will still work, but larger size pavers that are only 6 cm or paving slabs are usually too thin. Once you know the extent of your project, it comes down to the look that speaks to you. In today's market, concrete pavers come in a variety of textures. The more traditional finish will give you the look of concrete. A tumbler paver with worn edges will provide a more rustic, old-world feel, and a slate texture is designed to mimic the appearance of a natural stone. Lastly, consider whether you want to do the project yourself or hire an installer. A simple patio or walkway can be done in a weekend, but major project might take the help of an expert. Think hard about the time and effort it would take for you to get the outcome you desire. Interlocking pavers are durable, and concrete pavers are a great alternative to a poured concrete patio. Concrete slabs are prone to cracking and breaking, which then require patching to fix. This sort of repair work can create an eyesore to your overall landscaping appearance. Weeds also often grow through concrete cracks. Brick pavers are sturdy, stable, and allow for expansion and contraction. Brick pavers are easy to maintain, making them a prime choice above stamped concrete patio slabs. Using paver stone is ultimately an investment. You will be putting your money into an affordable patio enhancement that will increase your home's value. Although upfront concrete cost may be slightly lower per square foot, the maintenance, time, and energy invested in repairs over time adds up. Imagine the relaxing outdoor living space you will create when you set aside the higher costs and finish your DIY project right the first time. One of the things that draw many homeowners to a paver patio is the versatility of options and customization. Individual pavers are available in various shapes, colors, textures, and patterns. Pavers come in a multitude of shapes and designs. The most common choice is a pure rectangular paver that can be found in Hollands or cobblestones. However, squares, tapered units, triangular, and longer rectangles are great options as well. Thanks for watching. Until next time.